Looks like we had a lot of water from all this rain we had. It is messy, it is muddy, but we gotta keep going.
Welcome to Hiner Outdoor Living. We're a team of yardists taking boring, cookie-cutter yards and transforming them into one-of-a-kind backyard retreats. Join us as we bring quality, passion, and fun to yards all across the Colorado Front Range, inspiring life outside.
We are back up here in Evergreen. It is our third week. We are now currently working our way out into the falls. How many boulders have been brought in and how many more boulders are you bringing in?
We already have close to 70 tons of boulders.
Okay.
So, but
and about 50 more to go, or what?
Close. No, but close to 60.
Close to 50 more.
I'm planning on having this a little dramatic here, more like a stream effect, you know, more like rapids, white water. But until we start playing with the boulders, right now we're working up the stream. I might start working on this side later on the day, but right now I just want to kind of build a couple of waterfalls there. So that's what we're working on today. We're having a little problem here with our strap, getting it out, but it's all good. Okay, we got it. So this is our first fall, as you can see here. I'm placing this other boulder here. I'm thinking maybe have another waterfall over here on this side. I'm not sure yet, but this is how it's starting to play. This is the first boulder we played since last week, so this one's good. So we got this big boulder over here, so cool. We have a higher side here and a lower side. Water is gonna come over here. It's gonna be a real tall cascade. We're talking about at least 2 feet tall. I love this to have this type of slope, but as much as I love it, it also represents a big challenge for us to bring some big boulders. We are definitely pushing the limits of that machine, which is a big machine, but this specific type of boulder are really heavy. It's a black granite boulder, so it's a really dense rock. So those things range between 2,000 pounds to 4,000 pounds. Beautiful place to work. I'm super excited to get this thing running. I love how this is looking so far.
As always, there's some changes, some thought ideas from the homeowner. One thing in particular here is they just absolutely are loving the rock work that Omar is doing on this project. And originally we had a block wall inside of the pond where the patio was just gonna go straight down and overhang, but the homeowners are really enjoying the natural rock work that they just want to see that same look consistent throughout.
We're gonna have a series of steps going outside the pond. They want to have easy access to the bottom of the pond. So the steps are gonna come right along this way. So we only have left to kind of continue this wall over here until we close it up with the steps in here. We're gonna seam these two pieces of liner together. This is the area where the intake is gonna be. The guy's pumping some water out of here. Hello guys, good morning. Looks like we have a lot of water from all this rain we had. It is messy, it's muddy, but we gotta keep going. So we are finally getting to our intake bay. Got this monstrous boulder here. That was a tricky one. All our pumps are gonna be located on the side. But rain. Good morning, guys.
What is going on?
What's going on here? Your boy here from Hiner Outdoor Living. We got this wrapped up yesterday. We are ready to place boulders. I'm so excited about this. Also got a big log that is gonna go right across this box. It's gonna function as a kind of like to hide those boxes, but it's also gonna look really good. So this beautiful log here, I want to try fit right here, right where behind this rock. Let's see how that goes. So we're gonna add a layer of cobble, then we're gonna have another layer of 1.5 inches, and lastly we're gonna have a layer of 3/4 inch. This bug filter is gonna be right in the middle of the stream. As you can see, we already have excavated all the where the waterfall is gonna start. It's gonna start right here. It's gonna come down, and it's gonna create some sort of pooling area here. I'm thinking about 8 to 10 inches of deep all around here. So we're gonna have water over here. This is what I'm planning. I think this is where it's gonna be my first waterfall into the bog filter. So, and the rest of I'm thinking 3 or 4 all the way to the top there. So super excited for that. Almost there, Marshall.
How long do you think it will take you to finish the falls section?
3 months. Just kidding. Couple of days more.
Couple days more?
Couple of days more.
Okay.